Hi, in this video we will learn how to make curry chicken. Before we start, please subscribe my channel. To make a curry chicken, the ingredients we need is 2 onions. I am taking white onions because the red onions is under recall, so it's better to use white onions for now. 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 15 to 20 gram of ginger, and 2 to 3 green chilies. We also need the dry masala. For that we need 2 bay leaves, half tablespoon of garam masala, cinnamon stick and black cardamom, 2 tablespoon of dhania powder, also known as coriander powder, 2 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, also known as methi, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, and half tablespoon of black pepper. Besides that, we need salt to taste, red chili powder to taste as well, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. We need 1 full cup of crushed tomatoes. And we also need, of course, the chicken. I'm taking 4 breast chicken, and you can take 1 whole chicken with bones. Now take a pressure cooker, add oil into it as shown. You can also cook this curry chicken in a pan. Now add ginger and garlic cut into your cubes. I'm using big cubes of ginger, garlic and onions because ultimately we are going to grind this later to make a smooth paste. So once ginger and garlic turn into golden brown, then we will add the onions into it. Ginger and garlic are cooked. Now I am adding the onion, which I also cut in big cubes because we are going to grind it. Mix well, and there is a tip that if you want to cook your onion fast, you need to add the salt into it. So I'm going to add salt to taste into this, which helps to cook onion fast. So I'm going to cook these onions until it's golden brown. You will see that onion are getting cooked and releasing the oil. So once the onion are cooked well, now we will use a hand blender to grind it into the pressure cooker itself. But you can also use the hand mixer to grind this onion, ginger, garlic to make a paste. So this is an easy method that I am using a hand blender to grind it, onion, garlic, ginger, to make it paste itself in the cooker or the pan. So you will see that the onion, ginger, garlic, I grind it and make a smooth paste. Once done, now we will add the dry ingredients. First I will give a mix to the paste. Then I will add all the dry masalas which I explain in the ingredients, which has cumin seeds, bay leaves, dhania powder, masala, fenugreek leaves. So all we will put in the onions and cook well. Also I will add red chili powder for medium spicy. I am adding half tablespoon of red chili powder into it and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and cook the masala until it leaves the separates the oil. I will show you when I always say that it leaves the oil or it separates the oil, how the masala look like. When you see that there is oil separate out from the masala, it means that your masala cooked very well. It gives a different taste to the gravy, otherwise your gravy will not taste so good and it's not proper. Once the masala is cooked and leaves the oil, add the crushed tomatoes. I'm adding a little bit of water in the same cup with the crushed tomatoes. Mix well and add into it. You also need to ensure while cooking that your masala should not stick to the base of your pan or the cooker. Then you need to move your spatula in a way that you are taking out the masala from the sides as well, so it should not burnt. Add the green chilies as well. There is a tip that always add the green chilies with the tomatoes or the tomato puree. Add additionally 1 tablespoon of meat masala. I'm using MDH meat masala, which you can get easily from the Indian store. So it gives the great taste to the gravy. Add it and mix it well and cook your masala. I'm going to cook this for 3 to 4 minutes. Once done, then add the chicken. I'm using a breast chicken. I told you before also you can use the drumsticks or the whole chicken with the bones as well. Mix the chicken well with the masala. Then add 2 cups of water into it. You need to keep this gravy a little thick, then only then you can get a taste of that, because after it cook it will more thin, so you need to be careful when you are adding water into it. For the quantity I'm explaining in this video, 2 cups of water is enough for the gravy. Now we are going to pressure cook it until it 1 whistle. But if you are using a pan, you need to cover the lid, and with the continuous stirring you need to cook it for 30 to 35 minutes in the pan. But for the pressure cooker, 1 whistle is enough to cook the chicken breast or the chicken. Now 1 whistle is done. We let the cooker stay on the side until it releases the pressure of its own. When the pressure is released of its own, the chicken look like this. To give a final look, I'm going to add the fresh coriander leaves into it, and we'll also add 1 teaspoon of meat masala again. Mix well. Our curry chicken is ready. You see that after the chicken is cooked, the gravy is a little thin, right? So you need to be very careful when you are adding water. So our curry chicken is ready to serve. You can eat this curry chicken with the basmati rice or with the naan or even with the roti, but it gives a very good taste with the rice. So you can try this at your home and let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe. You can also finally garnish with the fresh coriander leaves, and this is how you can make curry chicken at home. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos.